it's Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you could subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I got my Black Moon cosmetics order in the mail today, so I want to show you guys what I got and do some swatches. Let's go ahead and get into it. So, on this sticker, I was so mad I had to cut it because it says certified moon mail. And when you open the box, is this not the prettiest box ever? So right on top, we have a little thank you moon, and it says we love you to the moon and back. I'm keeping this, 100%. And then we also have just a little card showing off some beautiful ladies, and it lets you know that they're cruelty-free, vegan, and otherworldly. And then we have my packing slip, some black tissue paper, and I got the Halloween bundle. I already opened these because they were kind of hard to open, I'm not gonna lie. And actually, let me look at this packing slip. Maybe I can tell you how much this cost. I think it was $100, 57 bucks, something like that. Nope, just this Halloween collection bundle. It was something like that. But, so each of these comes with, I think it's a highlighter. Yeah, a highlighting blush and a little mini, and they're minis, and then a lip gloss. So, let's just get started. So we have the Pumpkin Patch Duo, which I want to keep this packaging so bad. Because on the back it says, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, pick a pumpkin by the toe. If it's ripe, take it home, carve a smile, and let it glow. So, it says in here, oh, and we have Happy Halloween in orange. So we have the Jack-o'-lantern highlighting blush and the Pumpkin Patch lip gloss. Which, here's how they come here. So, here's our little mini lip gloss. And I've never tried Black Moon Cosmetics. But it was when I was on their website, because I was going to get the Courtney bundle of like the black lipsticks, but this said that it was about to go out of stock and be gone forever, and I was like, nope, I have to get it. So, ooh, smells kind of fruity. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got like a green shimmer in there. And then I love the pumpkin. Halloween is my favorite. So yeah, this is the shade Jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, and it's got a mirror in here. Is the sticky gonna be easy? Haha, the sticky was easy to pull off. So we have a nice mirror. Here's the shade Love Orange. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No kick up. That's stunning. Do you know what this is giving? Those cookies. Those seasonal cookies. I feel like I want to put these in my background. Just have them chilling. So I might keep these. Okay. So then we have the Recently Deceased Duo. So this one says, I lurk in the shadows down the hall. I sit on your bed while you're at the mall. I don't mean to cause a fright or grimace. I'm only here for unfinished business. And we have Ghoulie highlighting blush and the Apparition lip gloss. So, here's what those look like. So, I'm seeing purple, but you guys are seeing blue. Same scent. Ooh, this one's more sheer. So I did 2 layers of this one. That's pretty. I honestly kind of wish the orange gloss was more sheer, like that one. And then we have Ghoulie. She's adorable. Let me get the thing off the mirror. Get off! Get off me! Ah! And here's Ghoulie. Again, I'm seeing purple and you guys are seeing blue. So this is a beautiful duochrome. Nice and soft. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That one had a little bit of kick up. So let me... And this one also says Happy Halloween, but it's in purple, by the way. Alright. Get back in there. Thank you. And last but not least, we have Dead But Delectable Duo. So this one says no pulse, no reflection, no problem. We have the Undead Blush and the Bitten Lip Gloss. So this one says Happy Halloween in red. And here's our duo. Okay. So here's our gloss. It's like a blackened red. Same beautiful scent. Ooh, it's a burgundy. That one's stunning. And I like that these are minis, because when am I going to go through a gloss? And then here's this guy for Undead. What do you mean by this? How? Get off! So here's the shade Undead. It's not just a black, right? It's like a very sheer burgundy with black, like it's a berry. That's so interesting. So like, this is a highlighter, the purple. This, it's a highlight, but like, it's like a blush topper. That's a blush. That's how I feel about them. So those are the 3 that I got. That's all I got in this order. Like I said, I will probably at some point here soon get Courtney's bundle, because I did really want to try those lipsticks, but I just couldn't afford it right this second. But this came really quickly. I'm really happy with the packaging. I'm really happy with the presentation, the products. Let me know if you've tried Black Moon Cosmetics. I'd love to hear from you guys. But otherwise, that's going to do it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.